Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode the secrets hidden within corporate filings. And today we've got something from Ondas Inc that sounds like it is straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it is all about real business moves. Get ready because we're diving into a Form 8. Okay, that might just reveal some interesting plans for the future of autonomous systems. This isn't just any report, folks, it is like getting a sneak peek behind the curtain of a company making some big waves. Before we start, if you appreciate getting straight insights from corporate documents like this, make sure you are subscribed. We also have a Discord community linked in the description below. Come join the conversation. So, what is the big deal about the 16th of January 2026? Well, on this date, Ondas Inc dropped what looks like a significant announcement. They released a slide presentation, and this presentation is important because it is expected to be used in connection with their Ondas Autonomous Systems Incorporated Investor Day and for other future investor presentations. Think of it as them rolling out their future vision to the people who matter most. Now, this document is filed under a specific section of the Securities Exchange Act of 1934. What does that mean for us? It means they're giving us an official heads up about something material, something important that investors need to know about. And in this case, it is all about communication and how they plan to tell their story going forward. Before we get into the juicy details of what they discussed, let's touch on their stock. Ondas Incorporated has its common stock traded on the Nasdaq Stock Market LLC under the ticker symbol ONS. This is the publicly traded part of the company, the part where we can see its value fluctuate based on news like this. The core of this filing is what they're calling a Regulation FD disclosure. This means they are making information available to everyone at the same time. No special favorites. And what they've shared is a slide presentation. This presentation is the key here, and it is being furnished as an exhibit. It is not just a casual update. It is a carefully prepared package of information about their autonomous systems. The real star of the show, Exhibit 99.1, is this presentation dated the 16th of January 2026. This is where the company lays out its roadmap, its strategy, and likely its performance updates related to its autonomous systems, while this particular filing doesn't contain detailed financial tables like a quarterly report. The presentation itself is where we should look for hints about their financial health and future prospects, how they are moving forward with their technology and their business. Think about what they might be saying about revenue growth, market penetration, or the costs associated with developing and deploying these advanced systems. The fact that they are dedicating an investor day to it suggests they believe their autonomous systems are a significant part of their future. Let's break down what this filing means. They are essentially telling us that they have important news about their autonomous systems, and they are sharing it with the public through this presentation. This could cover anything from new product launches, successful pilot programs, partnerships, or even revised financial projections related to this segment of their business. When a company highlights a specific area like autonomous systems and holds an investor day for it, it signals that this is a major growth driver or a key strategic focus. They are likely trying to convince investors of the massive potential and their leadership position in this evolving market. Looking at the bigger picture, Ondas Incorporated is positioning itself in the exciting and rapidly developing field of autonomous systems. This is a sector with huge potential, but also significant challenges. Competition is fierce, regulations are still evolving, and the technology itself requires substantial investment in research and development. The fact that they are having an investor day focused on this area suggests they are confident in their ability to navigate these complexities and that they have a compelling story to tell about their progress and their vision for the future. This is not just about showing off technology, it is about demonstrating a clear path to commercial success and profitability. When a company like Ondas Incorporated puts out a presentation like this, especially before an investor day, it is a signal of confidence. They are likely highlighting advancements that they believe will translate into revenue and market share. We have to remember that the core of any business is its ability to generate sustainable profits, and for a company focused on autonomous systems, that means proving the technology works reliably, can be scaled cost effectively, and meets a real market demand. The Investor Day is their stage to make that case. Now, considering the nature of this filing, which is primarily an announcement of a presentation, we don't have deep financial numbers directly here. However, the implication of this filing and the upcoming Investor Day is significant. It suggests that the financial outlook for their autonomous systems segment is either very promising or that they are at a critical juncture where they need to secure further investment or partnerships based on their progress. The actual financial story will likely be in the presentation itself, which we don't have access to in this specific 8K, but we can infer that what they're going to say is important enough for this level of disclosure. The strategy behind an Investor Day is to paint a clear picture of growth and opportunity. For Ondas Inc, focusing on autonomous systems means they are betting on a future where machines operate with a high degree of independence. This could apply to a range of industries from logistics and transportation to manufacturing and defense. The real test, as always, will be in the execution. Can they translate their technological prowess into tangible business results that satisfy their investors and position them for long-term success? The risks are also substantial, including rapid technological obsolescence, intense competition from both established players and nimble startups, and potential regulatory hurdles that could slow down adoption. Ultimately, this filing is a strategic move. It is Ondas Inc telling the market, pay attention to our autonomous systems. We have exciting things to show you, as investors or observers. Our job is to look beyond the presentation slides and analyze the underlying substance. Is this a genuine breakthrough or just incremental progress? Are they showcasing a viable business model or a technology looking for a problem? The Investor Day will go a long way in answering these questions. So, what is my take on Ondas Incorporated's move here? It signals ambition and a clear focus on a high-growth sector. The strength lies in their commitment to advancing autonomous systems, a market poised for significant expansion. The weakness, as with any technology-driven company in a nascent market, is the inherent uncertainty of commercialization and competition. The biggest opportunity is to become a leader in a revolution that will reshape industries. The notable risk is that the path to profitability might be long and complex, demanding significant capital and facing intense technological and market challenges. Alright, that is our breakdown of Ondas Incorporated's latest filing. What is your take on these numbers and what they signal for the company's future? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description. Thanks for watching, see you next time.